Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Babe,
Yeah.
it's been 2 weeks and 2 days since your hernia repair surgery.
Yep.
You was having symptoms. What were your symptoms, babe?
Tingliness and numbness. What, before my surgery?
Yeah, before your surgery. Even the ones that the
Tingliness
doctor said that you're
all over
not
my
supposed to have.
body, numbness all over my body, burning sensation throughout my chest and my arms.
Radiated to your back.
Yep. Stomach pains, chest pain, shortness of breath, swollen upper lip, nerve pain that radiates up the neck.
What did they call that?
What? What do they call what?
What was that nerve? That, how was it called? The doctor at the ear
The
said?
vagus nerve.
Vagus nerve.
It's like the biggest nerve in your body, and the hiatal hernia was messing with that,
Okay.
supposedly.
I believe it because you feel better after your surgery.
Restlessness at nighttime, feeling like I have to stretch all the time, move around all the time, burp myself out every night. Acid reflux, the big one. Yeah, I don't know, just a bunch of other ones. It's like over 30 symptoms that I was having.
And the doctors were saying that some of them were not related to it, but definitely was
Yeah,
because after your surgery,
they diagnosed me with a small sliding hiatal hernia.
right? Right, but it caused big problems.
Yep, a lot of problems for a long time, for like over a year.
So you had surgery 2 weeks and 2 days ago, and after your surgery, the same day, how did you feel?
I was having a lot of pain, I guess, from the surgery. Similar symptoms that I was having like before the surgery. Stomach cramps. I felt like my left side and my right side of my stomach was like my abdomen was swollen. Bloating, stuff like that. Pretty much the same symptoms. Like I felt like the surgery didn't do anything, but it slowly went away like a couple days later.
You were in a lot of pain. That they
Yeah.
were giving you pain medication,
Norco was the pain medication they were giving me.
and then
And they were
there was
giving me morphine and some other medicine that I could choose from. There were like two different medicines at the hospital. So,
and he felt like honestly like almost every 30 minutes he wanted medicine, but obviously they weren't going to do that. But he was in a lot of pain, and then what helped with that? Walking.
walking, yeah. Walking a lot for hours practically. Inside the house, outside the house, or wherever you can go to walk.
Right, because he just spent one night at the hospital, and he was still in a lot of pain, but eventually he was just able to just take Tylenol and be okay after what, like 2 3 days after you came home.
Yeah, 2 3 days. And then I was able to switch over to Tylenol. And then it wasn't working. So I had to switch back to Norco for a little bit, for like a day or two. And then I've been off my pain medicines for about five 5 days now. So
Very good.
I still have symptoms and some pain and stuff, but it's not unbearable. It's you can handle it. So hopefully next week, everything will be maybe somewhere closer to normal.
Yeah. So he felt normal before yesterday at his 2 week mark. And then he got out of bed and just like jogged real quick, just a couple of feet. And he was in pain all over again. He felt pain on his chest and then it radiated to his back. And it lasted till the very next day, which was yesterday. So it was pretty bad. So if you are recovering and you think you are okay, don't do that. Don't run, don't jog, none of that. Just chill. Just let your body heal. It's better to let your body heal than basically keep opening up that wound, you know? Like, even if it's not technically opening up the wound, but you're not letting your body recover. So it's basically starting all over again every time. So just chill. And so, what are you doing right now?
Just stretching and stuff because I kind of feel like I need to stretch.
Are you,
Similar symptoms that I was having before um, I had surgery. It's like almost like a restlessness type feeling. So, and plus I'm super sore. Like my ass and my legs are kind of sore
because,
because I was walking for like 8 hours yesterday.
yeah, so when he doesn't feel good, which the reason why he wasn't feeling good yesterday was because he jogged for literally a couple of feet and he was in pain. So yesterday he walked for hours. And so now today he's feeling okay, but he feels sore because of all that walking yesterday. And he just walked in the house back and forth all over. So hope you recover soon, baby. Love you.
Love you.